Do your floors need help? Hi, this is John Wells, and I'd like to personally recommend Moe's Bear City Floors. It's on the boulevard between Division and Hillendale, right across from the Lumberjack Cafe.
Hi, I'm Maurice Manceau, owner of Moe's Bear City Floors. I've been installing flooring for over 28 years. This is my wife, Sandy.
We'll make your flooring decision easy here at Moe's, whether it be carpet,
Laminate,
hardwood,
commercial products.
And I can tell you from first-hand experience, these guys are quick. Making your choice from their vast assortment of flooring choices may be the most time-consuming part of the entire process. With 28 years of experience, Moe's knows that when you want new floors, you want them now. And no need to worry about getting the house ready. Moe and his professional team of installers will handle it all. From moving the furniture, making the needed repairs, preparing the floor, a Moe's installation is top-notch all the way. That's why Moe's is a favorite with locals and absentee owners alike. Moe may be quick, but he's thorough as well. Everything is trimmed, cleaned, and your furniture is replaced. So all you have to do is take off your shoes and enjoy the unbelievable difference that a new floor can make in your home.
Before you make your decision, please make sure to come down to Moe's,
Where we'll beat any price on the mountain.